हेलो एंड वेलकम एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल रोहित एंड VF7। अभी नया अपडेट आ गया है, सॉफ्टवेयर अपडेट। मैंने सुना था कि कल से शुरू हुआ है वो। सो व्हाट आई डिड इज आई बॉट माय कार आउट ऑफ द पार्किंग एंड अपने मोबाइल को भी मैंने हॉटस्पॉट ऑन करके कार कनेक्ट कर दिया था। सो आई स्टेड लाइक दैट फॉर सम टाइम एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम इट स्टार्टेड शोइंग दैट द न्यू सॉफ्टवेयर अपडेट इज रेडी टू डाउनलोड। सो आई क्लिक्ड ऑन डाउनलोड, सो इट स्टार्ट। सॉफ्टवेयर अब डाउनलोड हो गया है, सो इट्स शोइंग मी दैट इट इज़ रेडी टू अपडेट। सो द न्यू वर्जन इज 7.8.4.10.1। पहले ये आई गेस 4.9 डॉट कुछ था। सो लेट्स क्लिक ऑन दिस अपडेट नाउ। ओके, सो इट्स आस्किंग फॉर, ओके, दीज आर द कंडीशंस। सो इन द बिगनिंग it does this thing, checking conditions. There are certain conditions like it should be in park, that type of thing, like it should not be in camp mode, pet mode, all those type of things. Battery percentage should be a certain level, so all those things it is checking right now. So now it started the update installation. Actually it took somewhere around 12 to 14 minutes I guess, just for checking the conditions. So in the meanwhile I had to put the seat belts on so that the car doesn't goes and shut down. So now it has started and it's showing 107 minutes. So now I'll leave it like this. I'll go out of the car and shut it, close it. Now it should continue on its own. So after the update is done, I'll check back again and we'll check what are the new changes. It's been almost 35 minutes and 53% is done, but somehow it's still showing 1.5 hours yet. I hope so that in the next half an hour or so it should be done. Let's see how much time it in total it takes. So right now I can see it is showing software as merging software packages. I am not sure the meaning of that, but yeah, it's showing me like that. Continue. Okay, these are the terms and conditions. Okay, they are the same as they were the last time. Let's click on accept. So now it is preparing for the update. Okay, so the update is done. Too many messages. UI has changed a lot. Just trying to understand. I think this is eco mode and it's showing like a green leaf or something. There is some, I don't know why it is showing the tire pressure, even though the tire pressures are fine. Actually the moment I started it, it showed me multiple errors, I think. But yeah, main thing is this place I'm not understanding. Oh, okay, this is completely new. Now they have put the drive modes like this and the regenerative brakings are here. So earlier everything used to come on this screen. Now it's coming on this screen. This is new. Okay, so let's see if I touch the drive. So everything is coming here now. Okay, creep mode, auto hold, everything is there. Okay, it just got a new message. Download the new model over. Okay, I will look into it. I think there is a new voice assistant also. So all these things, earlier it used to be very much inside, so everything is in the outside just by clicking the drive. But I'll have to see whether it is good or not, because earlier I used to keep everything here itself. Okay, but yeah, this is completely new. So, okay, so it seems like this will always be there. If I click, oh, okay, the camera button has also came here now. Okay, this is also new. Lights, okay, that's old. But yeah, this box is new completely. It was very much inside earlier. So auto hold on off directly here. This is the, like, whether you want to switch on the sound for alarms, trunk, ORVMs, all these things. ADAS, okay, directly from here we can have ADAS. Okay, so if I turn it off, I read somewhere that if I turn it off, next time when I restart the car, it will not stay off only after this update. That I'll have to check. If that happens, it will be very good. But here it's good actually. Now directly the ADAS is available from here. Okay, the only thing is while driving I'll have to see how good it is to change the modes by clicking here and then coming here. That will be, but it looks good, but actually because it's quite big, so I think it will be easy to access. Have to see if there is any other change. The changes more look like of a UI thing. Is there anything else? Let's see. Oh, there is a storage management. This is new. 10 GB out of 32 GB used. Okay, I didn't know that there was storage also. Okay, I'll clear the cache and all that later. Okay, this is new. This I didn't know. Okay, anything out here? Nothing much information provided here. Okay, all this is fine. I don't think so any change here. Okay, all this seems same. Wipers, all this. Last time we had a big change in extensions, but this time it's same, I guess. Okay, I think chime mode and max AC, this is a new thing for the star button. I don't think so that's that useful. I use it for side mirrors actually, and trip button I use for region. So yeah, that's still same only. Okay, so no changes here. Let's see if there is any other change that we can quickly see out here. This is same. This I'll try. Earlier it always used to reduce after the next restart. I'll see after restart whether it reduces or not. Okay, what else? Okay, this is a new thing. Yeah, this is a WinFast Connect store. This was not there earlier, so this is new. I'll check it out what is there. This I'll have to see how to use this. So I just switched on the hotspot of my mobile and connected it to the car. So now it is allowing me to go to this store. Let's see how it is. Okay, so enjoy your time while parked. I guess these are the games. Okay, there are some new games. I think there are some more also. Okay, now they have provided the Spotify 9-ball pool. Okay, this is good. Bird Bump, I don't know. I think this is some weather related app. Okay, so if I go for music and audio, so there is, oh okay, now they have Audible, Amazon Music directly in the app store of this. Okay, that's good. So I think I'll use the Spotify and the 9-ball pool. That seems like more use. And what else? No idea about all this. Fine. So yeah, this is the new change. So it's something like this, that whenever the speed is slow, there are two lines for auto hold and all that, and the moment the speed is going above, I guess 15 or 20, that line is going. One thing that I like about this update is that now in ADAS I am able to permanently switch off the front emergency braking. Earlier I had to do it every time I started the car, but now I did it once, and now even after restart it's still there. It throws a message to me telling that this is deactivated. That's it. But it is a very good update. A lot of people were worried about this, that every time we have to remember to do it, because the thing is, this car is not that much calibrated for emergency braking for Indian conditions. I have faced it in the past. So this is a good thing to just switch off the front emergency braking. Rear is I always keep on because that actually works at times. So overall, like this update. So I did drive a little. The thing is, overall it's good. The actual changes, especially in this area, this is very useful. That I can for sure say. This concept is also good, that the moment you click on drive, everything comes on this screen and it is big. But one thing is that the drive of the hand, it's bit far. If the same thing, the big size is good, but if the same thing would have been on this side and the car design would have came to this side, it would have made much more sense, because then like if my hand is here, so it's quickly that I could have reached there for sure. Like that would have been much better. Like this thing, regenerative braking also this side, this thing also on this side, that would have been better. But other than that, overall I like the update. But this update, I think it's more about UI, not any functional thing. One thing is that there is a store now, but that's only accessible when I'm doing through hotspot. The moment I'm switching off the hotspot, it's not able to access that. I don't know how it is. It might be changed in the future. And one thing I can see is that somehow my hair is not working. Like earlier it used to work without hotspot also. Now I'm trying to use it without hotspot. That hair map is not working. So don't know why. So that's it. So that's it for now. So I hope so you like this information and this will be useful for you. If you do like this, do subscribe to my channel Rohit NVF7. Meet you soon in the next video. Thank you. Jai Hind.